Hello, welcome, Flower Painting Mackenzie. I was just talking about how to turn the way that I wanted to have the paper horizontally, because I love the kind of width of the flowers and I feel like I want to fully capture the width, and maybe I'll put a little bit of the jug in, but it's more the flowers that are of interest to me. And I was talking to you about bringing the paper over so that you're able to see the flowers and see the page by only moving your eyes, really. You want to be in a position where you can see the board and see your flowers without having to go like this, like, do you know? So, but at the same time you're limbered up, you're feeling quite lively and loose in yourself, and it's not that you're rigidly, but when you do come to look, you assume the position where you can see and draw down by only moving your eyes. Okay, now I'm quite close, it's really for the purposes of the camera. You can bring yourselves closer to the scene if you want to, but I mean, you could very easily be right back here painting, so don't feel like you have to go right up. Okay. We've got a lovely modest group here, so this, as in a small group. But I'm really glad that I'm really glad you managed to come, and I think we can have more expansive fun when there's 3 of us and then 4 of us in the room. Okay, so I'm going to put out some colours now. Like when I half close my eyes, the main thing that kind of makes it all cohesive for me is the greens.